Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. Crazy timing. The moment I jump on here, he start crying. Okay. Crazy timing. Okay, so I'm here with a really quick Dollar Tree haul. Yeah, this is a post quarantine Dollar Tree haul. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in quite a while, months actually. Yeah, so I'm gonna just show a couple random things that I picked up. I was on the hunt for some things but that I seen that my brother picked up, but I had no luck whatsoever. So I'm gonna just show the few things I did pick up. So I picked up this facial hair remover. Now I don't feel like I have facial hair, but I was watching YouTube videos, like makeup tutorials, and some of the girls were doing Derma planning. Yeah, so when I saw this, this just reminded me of that. So I just said, you know, I'll give it a shot and just see. But this is how this piece looks. And it's called a yeah, facial hair remover, and it's made like this. Back. And it's supposed to like just remove like the fine hairs that's on your face to give you like a smooth, even complexion type of a look. So yeah, when I saw this, I just said, you know, I'm gonna try this. But I have this, and I also have and I also have this that I got at Dollar Tree, actually maybe like a year or two ago. And this is similar to a Derma planning tool that they sell on eBay. So between the two, I want to just try it out and see what that hype is all about. So yeah, I needed cotton balls. I got cotton balls. That's nothing. I need a cotton round because that's how I do my my toner. So I got these, and I like these, and you get 80 in here for $1. So I got those as well. I got this 4-in-1 leave-in conditioner by Lusty. And this is argan oil. And yeah, I like using this on the kids' head. So I got that. Then I picked up, I always get my Awesome in there, and I always get this refillable one. So I got Awesome. Then I got this new what do you call this, air freshener by Glade, and oh, this smells so good. It smells, wait, let me re-smell it. Yeah, I'm still liking it. Okay, so this is black rum, leather, and mint. Ooh, this smells so rich and like sexy and masculine. If that makes sense. I don't know, this just reminded me of a man. I don't know, I like this. It smells like cologne almost. But black rum, leather, and mint. And this is how this bottle looks. So yeah, it just smelled rich. So I picked this up. It smells really good. So I got that for the bathroom. I picked up a couple for all the bathrooms. And then I got this one. I honestly didn't even mean to buy this. I saw this first. I picked this up to smell it, and then saw the Glade and picked up those for all the bathrooms, but didn't realize that I still had this in my hand. So yeah, but this is a smoke odor eliminator. There is no smoke in my home, but I mean, it has a nice scent. It's called Light Breeze is the scent. It claims to neutralize cigarette, pet, bathroom, and garbage odors. So it's not technically for smoke, like cigarette smoke or something like that, because it says pet, bathroom, and garbage odors as well. And then it says for all types of smoke. But minus this being a smoke related type of air freshener, the scent of this is really nice. Yeah, this has a really nice like cologne-y scent, but not like an overpowering scent. Like, this is not overpowering. One spray is good enough. You may check yourself out because it does smell like cologne, but I do like the scent of this. So this would just be laying in the closet, so when I run out of the Glade, I'll just use this. But yeah, that was actually a mistake. Yeah, okay, so then I picked my kids up some gliders. I tend to buy these every year, so I know when the quality changes, and last year the quality was terrible, so we're going to give them a try again this year. Yeah, so we, you know, go to the parks and they fly these around. So yeah, these are those big gliders. And yeah, picked up the kids those. Also picked up the kids those soakers, the long soakers for the water. Yeah, but I left those by the door. Okay, and then I picked up these cat litter containers. It's a cat litter pan. No, I don't own cats, but I'm making a little sandbox out of these. And yeah, it's small, it won't take up too much space, but big enough to play in, but small enough to where it's not taking up a lot of space. Last year over the summer, I made Baby O a sand pit out of a swimming pool, the little plastic round blue swimming pools. She loved it. It was bomb. It turned out really, really good. Held up all summer long until, you know, the season was over. But it was the size of a pool, so it took up so much space. So yeah, I saw these at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna make the kids their own little sandbag, little sand thing, so that they can play in the sand. Yeah, we picked up some place in at what was it, Lowe's or Home Depot, one of those two stores. And yeah, so I'm gonna just make little personalized sand pits for the kids with those. And then last but not least, I picked up these, and these are Backsplash, but they're the self-adhesive tiles. Now I'm thinking about using these in my makeup room, but I'm going to cut them. Yeah, I'm going to cut them to go along the border that's on my wall. I'm gonna put these along the trim that's on my wall, but I'm gonna cut them to do so. But these are bomb. Like, you know, if you're remodeling on a budget in your kitchen, I don't know how strong the adhesive is, which would be the yay or the nay in this, but if this has a decent stick to it, yeah, these would be bomb, like in the kitchen if you want to do an accent wall somewhere. Yeah, these would be really nice. So this is how these look. Self-adhesive wall tiles, and this is the pattern. And it's really nice. It gives off that mosaic tile type of a look, ceramic tile type of look, marble tile type of look. So you get all of these different faux textures on this strip. And yeah, I bought a few of these to yeah, just peel and stick along my border. But I'm gonna cut them to size and then see how that turns out. That was it, y'all. That was all I picked up. I needed to go because I needed to go, but I was on the hunt for some of the things that my brother ended up finding. I found absolutely none of the things that he found. He found some bomb stuff, but yeah, that was all I picked up. It was just a small little Dollar Tree haul. So hopefully you see something, or maybe you saw something that you might want to pick up. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.